So you've decided downsizing makes sense, you've got a plan. Now the big question, where in Guelph does this actually work? Because not every neighborhood is built for this next chapter. Some absolutely are. If you're just joining the series, go back and watch the first 2 videos, why downsizing might be right for you and how to plan it properly. And grab the free Guelph relocation guide in the description for a full neighborhood breakdown. And if we haven't met yet, my name is Andrew Somerville from the DNA Homes team and eXp Realty, and I've been helping people in the Guelph area for over 20 years. So let's get into it. Before I name names, let's talk about what I'm actually looking for. Bungalows, or homes with the primary bedroom on the main floor. Smaller, manageable lots, walkability, coffee, groceries, a park nearby, and a real sense of community, not just rooftops. Guelph has more of this than people expect. Riverside Park is the one area that I point to most often. Mature trees, quiet streets, and one of the best concentrations of bungalows in the entire city. And of course, if you've been following my series, you know that Riverside Park holds a special place in my heart because it's where I first learned to play disc golf. You'll have to discover that on your own and go watch all the videos before this one, and you might find out what I'm talking about. I've done a full neighborhood deep dive on Riverside Park, and the link's on the screen and in the description. If you're serious about this area, watch that one next, and then come back to this downsizing series. Riverside Park isn't the only option. Guelph has several mature neighborhoods with similar bones, smaller lots, single-level homes, and walkability to amenities. I go through several of these in my full neighborhood series, and they're worth a watch if you want the complete picture. Here's one that surprises most people. Mini Lakes, out in Puslinch, just outside the city. It's a genuinely affordable waterfront option, something you almost never find at this price point in this region. If lake life is part of your dream retirement, this is worth a serious look. Not everyone wants a house, even a small one. Some downsizers, a well-located condo is the actual answer. There's no exterior maintenance at all. You can lock and leave for winters away. The key is location. Not every building is created equal. When you're picking a neighborhood at this stage in your life, think about what you'll need in 10 years, not just today. Distance to healthcare, distance to family, walkability if driving ever becomes less appealing. These aren't fun to think about, but planning for them now means you don't have to move again. And believe me, this is what I pride my business on, is finding you the right place so you don't have to win. Not good for my bank account, but is good for you. Here's a quick practical tip before we wrap up. When you tour a smaller house, bring a piece of furniture measurement with you, your favorite chair, your dining room table. It's easy to underestimate how a space will actually live until you picture your things in it. So here's where we've landed across the series. Downsizing can be one of the best decisions you make in this next chapter, if you plan for it properly, and if you choose the right neighborhood. Guelph genuinely has the pieces for this to work. That's the full picture, why downsizing might be right for you, how to plan it the right way, and where in Guelph it actually makes sense. Grab the free Guelph relocation guide in the description below for the neighborhood by neighborhood detail. And if you want to talk through your specific situation, I'm a call or text away. And if you haven't already, check out my full neighborhood guide series, starting with Riverside Park. The link's right there on the screen and listed in the description below. I'm Andrew Somerville from DNA Homes.